You from?
My name is Srini, S-R-I-N-I. I'm from India.
All right, Srini?
That's right.
Okay. Well, nice to meet you. Our question today is, what kind of brands do you like for clothes?
Clothes for sports, Nike is the preferred brand.
Okay.
And non-sports, I guess no specific brand as such. I could probably go with G2000 or Giordano. It depends on what I wear kind of scenes here.
It seems like you're kind of familiar with some of the brands in Korea, are you?
I am a bit, yeah.
Okay.
I do travel a bit, so I guess I am familiar with the Asian brands, I guess.
Wow, okay. Where do you find yourself shopping the most? Where,
Here in Korea, if I'm...
just anywhere.
I go to Hong Kong often, so I shop in Hong Kong a bit, yeah.
Okay.
And Singapore too, so that's where it takes me to often for work. So I shop a bit in Singapore and Hong Kong. Yeah.
All right. Well, some of our viewers have, never been like abroad.
Okay.
So, what are the shopping malls like in Hong Kong? Is it really different, or?
It's very similar. Like I've seen Myeongdong here, if I got the name right. Well, Hong Kong Causeway Bay seems very similar to that place.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I find that very similar to that. I would say so.
All right, and it seems like you know a lot about just different shopping areas in lots of different countries.
I guess so, a bit because of my work that takes me to a few places. Yes.
Okay, just wondering, do you like to go shopping?
I do. That's surprising, but I do shop a bit, yes.
Wow, is it mostly for clothes, or what is it that you like to go shopping?
It's clothes, it's sportswear, it's house stuff, like, anything that looks nice for house, like I do pick up things here.
Okay, that's interesting, because usually it's always the girls that like
yeah.
All right, and usually how do you like to dress? Like, what's comfortable for you?
Well, it's work. It's typically kind of business clothes, but if it's otherwise, I'm very casual kind of things.
Casual,
very casual
as in?
sports, yeah.
Okay, sportswear.
Sports, yeah.
And what kind of colors do you like to wear?
I'm very basic: blue, blacks, white. Nothing beyond. I haven't tried anything beyond, I guess.
Okay, it's probably because you work a lot. So
I guess so. Yeah, it's those standard basic men's colors.
Okay, we just had a great conversation with Srini. We talked about what kind of brands or clothing that he likes to wear. But for business, he wears a lot of suits. So he says whenever he wears something comfortable, it's just, kind of plain and comfortable. Well, I hope you guys had a great time with me and Srini, and I hope that your English skills are getting better day by day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Oh.
네. 촬영 당일에 좀 약간 바람이 많이 불었던
Very
모양입니다.
windy and it looks kind of
그러니까요.
cold. Well, good
네.
job and thank you, Dami.
네,
And thank you
음향-
to Srini as well.
Thank you for the interview.
Yeah.
그 음향에 좀 바람 소리가 들어가서 죄송하고요. 자, 일단은 인도에서 오신 분인데 남자분 측은 상당히 쇼핑을 좀 즐겨 하시는 분이고 다행히도
네.
두 가지로 나눠서 좀 설명을 하신 것 같아요. 스포츠웨어란 건 편하게 입을 수 있는 이런 스포츠 운동복 같은
그렇죠.
종류. 그 밖에 이제 다른 옷들, non-sports 이렇게 나눠서
Yeah.
얘기를 해주셨는데 좀 자세히 설명을 좀 해주시죠, 선생님.
Okay, first of all, Srini, he is from India, and he says that he really enjoys shopping. He likes to go shopping. 굉장히 쇼핑하는 것을 좋아한다라고 했는데요. 일단 옷에 관해서 이야기를 했을 때 sportswear. 스포츠 얘기했었죠. 어떤 특정한 브랜드를 좋아하고, 자, 스포츠웨어가 아닌, 자, 우리가 보통 편하게 입을 수 있는 옷이죠. 지오다노 내지는 G2000, I think he mentioned that. Those are some of his favorite brands. But he said he doesn't really have a favorite. 딱 특별히 뭐가 가장 좋다, 어떤 브랜드가 좋다, 어떤 상표가 가장 좋다라고 할 수는 없지만 이런 곳에서 쇼핑을 한다라고 말을 했었죠. He said that he is familiar with Asian products. 그러니까 아시아 브랜드에 대해서 좀 많이 안다라고 얘기를 했는데요. 주로 아시아 쪽에 여행을 많이 하기 때문에 possibly for business 그렇기 때문에 Asian 브랜드를 좀 많이 안다고 했었고요. He normally shops mostly in Hong Kong and Singapore. 거의 쇼핑을 가장 많이 하는 곳은 아무래도 홍콩 그리고 싱가포르이다라고 설명을 했습니다.
자, 그쪽에 이제 쇼핑 거리나 상가들이 어떻게 돼 있냐 물어보니까 우리나라 명동과 비슷하다라는 얘기도 해서 우리가 참 이해를 할 수 있게 참 편하게 도와주셨네요. 주로 평상시에 어떻게 옷을 입는 걸 좋아하냐 하니까 비즈니스 즉 사업 관련된 일을 할 때는 지금 입은 옷처럼 정장을 많이 입지만 평상시에는 정말 casual, sportswear라고 해서 운동복 차림으로 편하게 입는 걸 좋아한다고 그랬었죠. 쇼핑을 참 좋아한다는 얘기를 강조를 좀 하셨어요. He does like shopping, right? 옷도 이렇게 사는 거 좋아하지만 house stuff라고 해서 집에 이제 놓을 수 있는 예쁜 물건들 같은 거 있으면 쇼핑을 좀 즐겨하는 편이다 이렇게 얘기하셨고요. 즐겨 입는 색상 같은 경우는 뭐 대체적으로 남성들이 입는 전형적인 색상들, 뭐 파란색이나 검은색이나 흰색 같은 거 자주 입는다고 he mentioned blue, black, white, the typical men colors라고 얘기를 했습니다.
It's interesting how he said, well, I like to go shopping for sportswear, but also for things that look nice for the house.
그렇죠. 집에 있는 물건들도 자주 사신다는 것
네,
같아요.
이게 집에 있으면 참 예쁘겠다. 저거 집에 있으면 예쁘겠다. 이런 생각이 들면은 또 그런 물건들도 산다라고 했었죠.
그렇게 언급을 하셨었죠. Alright, everyone, we have one more corner left for today. 자, 오늘의 마지막 daily expression 표현 하나 보고 마무리하겠습니다. Alright, today's daily expression is, everyone. 자, 뭔가 선택의 여지가 좀 없다라는 말을 할 때 쓰는 말이건데요. 이럴 수밖에 없다 여감입니다. 자, 그럴 때 쓰는 말이 I don't have much choice. choice 하면 고를 수 있는 choose가 고르다는 명사라면 choice는 어떤 선택이란 명사잖아요. 선택이 별로 없다. 무슨 뜻입니까? 선택의 여지가 별로 없다는 뜻입니다. 어쩔 수 없이 해야 된다는 얘기죠. 자, 같이 한번 해보실까요?
Let's do it out loud 4 times. I don't have much choice. I don't have much choice. 조금 더 빨리요. I don't have much choice. I don't have much choice.
Alright, everyone, that is a wrap for today. 오늘도 함께 해주신 여러분 감사드리고요. 우리 생활영어 방송은 우리 홈페이지 찾아오시면요. 무료로 다시 보기 얼마든지 가능하시니까 많은 이용 부탁드립니다.
Yes, that's all the time we have for you today. Have a wonderful, a beautiful Tuesday.
Thank you for joining us, everyone. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
I dropped a pencil under